You think you're eating super clean. Big salads with dressing, Greek yogurt labeled no added sugar, protein bars after the gym, low-calorie sauces. Yet the scale won't budge. Belly fat keeps growing, and every afternoon you crash like you just ran a marathon? Welcome to the truth. Very few endocrinologists will tell you straight. You're being sabotaged by hidden sugars every single day. According to a 2024 Harvard study, people over 60 unknowingly consume an average of 22 teaspoons of sugar per day, while believing they stay under 6. Over 80% of that sugar comes from foods proudly labeled healthy, low-fat, high-protein, or even keto-friendly. The result? Insulin spikes around the clock. Your body switches to 24/7 fat storage mode, especially dangerous visceral fat that wraps around your liver and pancreas, aging you 10-15 years faster than your actual age. Today, I'm exposing the exact 7 sneakiest hidden sugar sources that people over 50 are pouring into their bodies daily. Sources that spike blood sugar worse than table sugar, even when the nutrition label claims 0G sugar. Hidden sugar number 1. Bottled light and low-calorie salad dressings. Just 1 tablespoon of popular light. Caesar or balsamic vinaigrette contains 8 to 12 grains of hidden sugar from high fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, or evaporated cane juice. 2 tablespoons on your salad, Drucker 24G sugar, equal to 6 teaspoons of white sugar. Insulin skyrockets even though you only ate vegetables. 0 sugar fix, 30 seconds. 3 TBSP extra virgin olive oil, plus 1 TBSP apple cider vinegar, plus pinch of sea salt, plus fresh ground pepper, plus a dab of real Dijon mustard. 0G sugar. Insulin stays asleep. Hidden sugar. Number 2, no added sugar. Greek yogurt that still tastes sweet. Most 0% fat. Greek yogurts add 15 to 20 grams of concentrated milk sugar, lactose concentrate, or fruit juice concentrates to mask the sourness after fat is removed. A single 150 green cup can raise blood sugar more than a slice of white bread. Fix: buy only 100% plain Greek yogurt. Ingredients: milk. Saltless live cultures only. Add a handful of fresh raspberries or 1/4 TSP pure, stevia, or monk fruit. Extract yourself. Hidden sugar. Number 3, low carb and keto protein and energy bars. A single famous keto protein bar can pack 18 to 25 grams of sugar alcohols, maltitol, sorbitol, isomalt, that still raise insulin 40-60% compared to regular glucose, according to a 2023 diabetes care study. You just finished your workout and immediately undid all the fat burning. Fix: choose bars, sweetened only with monk fruit, allulose, or stevia, and that use whey isolate plus fiber. Or better, make your own, unsweetened whey plus nut butter plus 100% cacao. Hidden sugar. Number 4, healthy, flavored oatmeals and overnight oats packets, even the ones labeled lower sugar or heart healthy, contain 12 to 18 grams of sugar per tiny packet, usually from dried fruit pieces, brown rice syrup, or natural cane sugar. Listed halfway down the ingredients. Your morning bowl spikes insulin harder than a glazed donut, then leaves you starving by 10 a.m. 0 sugar fix. Use 100% whole rolled oats or steel-cut oats, plain, cook with water or unsweetened almond milk, then add cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and top with real berries, plus a tablespoon of chia seeds. Tastes better, costs less, and keeps insulin flat. Hidden sugar. 5. Store-bought tomato sauces and marinara. Yes, even the no-sugar added ones. A half-cup serving of popular brands hides 10-13 of sugar, often listed as organic cane sugar or concentrated grape juice. 2 servings on your zucchini noodles, micro 28 sugar, more than a can of cola. Italian restaurants are some of the worst offenders. 0 sugar fix. Make your own in 10 minutes. Canned whole San Marzano tomatoes, plus garlic, plus olive oil, plus basil, plus salt. Or choose the very few brands that truly have zero added sweeteners. Palmy, Moody Strained, or Rouse-sensitive formula are safe bets. Hidden sugar. Number 6. Nut butters labeled natural or no stir. The moment you see no stir or a perfectly smooth texture, check the label. Almost every major brand adds 3 for 7g sugar per 2 TBSP serving, usually evaporated cane juice or agave. That healthy spoonful in your smoothie or on celery is secretly sabotaging you. Zero sugar fix. Buy single ingredient nut butter. Ingredients: nuts plus sauce, maybe salt. Or grind your own in 60 seconds at the grocery store machine. The natural oil separation is proof there's nothing added. Hidden sugar. Number 7. Dried fruit and nut. Trail mixes 2 small boxes of raisins or 1/4 to 4 cups serving of dried cranberries contain 25 to 30 grams of pure fructose, more concentrated than soda. Your body can't tell the difference between that and table sugar once it hits the liver. Fructose is the number 1 driver of fatty liver in seniors. Zero sugar fix. Stick to fresh berries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, or a maximum of 6 to 8 pieces of freeze-dried fruit with no added sugar. If you crave trail mix, make it yourself. Raw nuts plus Oz seeds plus a few cacao nibs. These 7 sources alone can easily add 120 grams of hidden sugar to your day without you ever touching dessert. That's why so many active, clean-eating seniors still battle stubborn weight, brain fog, and joint pain. Their insulin never gets a break. Starting today, you can take back control in under a week. Swap just these 7 items, and most people over 60 see fasting insulin drop 20-40% and lose 4-8 pounds of pure inflammation-related weight in the first month, without counting calories or starving. Your body isn't broken. It's just been lied to by clever food packaging. Check every label like your health depends on it, because it does. And remember, if it's marketed as healthy and tastes sweet, there's a 90% chance it's loaded with hidden sugar. Next segment. Exact shopping list plus 3-day meal plan that keeps insulin rock bottom while still tasting delicious. You won't want to miss it. Day 1. Breakfast: 2 to 3 egg omelet cooked in butter or olive oil, plus sautéed spinach, plus half avocado, plus sprinkle of feta or cheddar, coffee or tea with heavy cream, or unsweetened almond milk only. Lunch: grilled chicken or salmon salad, unlimited leafy greens, plus cucumber, plus olives, plus 3 to 4 TBSP homemade olive oil and lemon dressing, recipe in segment 1. Dinner: grass-fed beef or pork chop, plus roasted broccoli and cauliflower with garlic, plus 1 TBSP ghee. Snacks, if hungry: handful of macadamia nuts or pork rinds, celery with full-fat cream cheese, or 1 square 90% dark chocolate. Day 2. Breakfast: full-fat plain Greek yogurt, phage, 5% or Turkish yogurt, 150 sak, 200 gwaz plus 102 cup fresh raspberries, plus 1 TBSP chia seeds, plus dash of cinnamon. Lunch: tuna or sardines in olive oil straight from the can, plus big green salad with the same homemade dressing plus half avocado. Dinner: baked wild cod or halibut with herb butter, plus steamed asparagus, a side of sauerkraut. Great for gut and zero sugar. Dessert option: 3 to 4 frozen raspberries dipped in melted 100% cacao, plus coconut oil. Day 3 breakfast: no oatmeal. Heat 2 TBSP each of hemp hearts, chia seeds, ground flax, plus unsweetened almond milk, plus pinch of salt. Top with 1 TBSP almond butter and a few blueberries. Lunch: leftover protein, chicken, steak, salmon, plus arugula and parmesan salad with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Real aged balsamic only, no glaze. Dinner: ribeye or lamb chops, plus grilled zucchini, plus simple tomato and basil salad. Use palmy box tomatoes if fresh ones aren't ripe. Evening treat: hot cocoa made with 100% cacao powder, plus heavy cream, plus monk fruit sweetener. Grocery list you can screenshot right now. All zero hidden sugar approved. Eggs, pasture raised if possible. Butter, ghee, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, lemons, leafy greens, cucumber, broccoli, asparagus, zucchini. Wild salmon, grass-fed beef, pork chops, chicken thighs, full-fat plain, Greek Turkish yogurt, fudge, 5%, chobani. Whole milk plain or local, berries, raspberries, blackberries, small amount of strawberries. Raw nuts, macadamia, pecans, almonds, single ingredient only, Rouse sensitive marinara or palmy strained tomatoes, sardines, tuna in olive oil, 85-100% dark chocolate or 100% cacao, baking bars, herbs, garlic, sea salt, real Dijon mustard print. This list, stick it on your fridge, and for the next 14 days, refuse to bring anything else into the house. Most people over 60 report sleeping better by night. 4. Afternoon crashes disappear by day 6, and rings start sliding off fingers by week 2. Your turn. Start with just one swap tomorrow morning. Ditch the store-bought dressing or the healthy yogurt and watch what happens. You've been deceived long enough. Now you know exactly where the enemy is hiding. Final segment coming. The single most powerful 60-second daily habit that lowers insulin more than any food swap, backed by 2024 Stanford data. Don't miss it. The single most powerful 60-second daily habit, backed by Stanford 2024, and proven to drop fasting insulin 28 to 41% in seniors in just 21 days, more than most diabetes medications. Every single morning, within 10 minutes of waking up and before you eat or drink anything except water, do this. Drink 400-500 milliliters, 14-17 oz, of room temperature water with 1 tablespoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, the kind with the mother, plus juice of 1-2 fresh lemon, plus a tiny pinch of sea salt. Wait exactly 60 seconds. Do 30-50 bodyweight squats, or simply walk briskly around the house for 60-90 seconds until you feel a very light sweat or slight warmth. That's it. 2 ingredients, plus 1 minute of movement. Why this works better than any supplement or diet tweak. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar instantly raises muscle. GLUT4 transporters to the cell surface. Your muscles suck up glucose like a vacuum for the next 4-6 hours without needing extra insulin. The lemon plus salt combo restores morning cortisol and electrolyte balance so you don't get the 10 a.m. crash. The tiny burst of muscle contraction triggers AMPK, your cellular youth enzyme, and burns off overnight liver glycogen, dramatically lowers baseline insulin all day. Stanford's 2024 trial on 112 adults aged 58-74 showed this exact 60-second protocol lowered average fasting insulin from 18.4 to 10.9 mmol in 3 weeks without any other dietary changes. Participants lost an average of 7.2 lbs of pure visceral fat and reported 63% more daily energy. Do it every single day for 30 days, and you will feel like someone turned the clock back 5 years. Final message. You now possess the complete playbook, the 7 hidden sugar traps that were silently aging you, the exact 0 sugar swaps and 3-day kickstart plan, the 60-second morning ritual that makes everything else work twice as fast. There is no more confusion, no more guessing, and no more trusting pretty labels. Starting tonight, read every single ingredient list. If you see any word ending in O's, syrup, juice, or nectar, put it back on the shelf. Your body will reward you with steady energy, a flatter stomach, sharper memory, and joints that feel 10 years younger, faster than you ever thought possible. You deserved the truth. Now, go live it. This is Blood Sugar Mastery, and you just took the red pill. See you in the comments when you drop your first 5 pounds of inflammation weight. I'll be waiting.